Hey, this is Edu Library. Welcome to our space. Today, on the Autodesk Revit course for construction drawings, you're going to learn how to create a schedule for building element fittings and fixtures. You can create a schedule for any element of the building. So, for instance, if I want to create a schedule for the doors or the windows, and just go to under view, click on schedules, and you can go to under the category name search, just type in doors. It comes up and just double click on it, and you can choose whatever information you want to add to the schedule. So I'm going to pick type. I can hold multiple things by pressing control. Hold down control. I want the type mark. I want the level. Maybe the count. Whatever you want, the fields you want shown, just click on it and add it to the columns. Click OK, and that's what you get. Right? And if you want to change the type mark, rather than having numbers, you can use a combination of letters, numbers. Is up to you. So for instance, let me just show you one. I have 42 occurring multiple times. So for instance, if I just want to change that to, say, D2, door 2, I'm just going to click outside of that row, and it's going to ask me, it will be applied to all the other types, this particular type of doors. Yeah, just click OK, and then everything changes, right? I'm just going to make 41 D1, enter, OK, and I'm going to make the D3, D4. Click enter and then OK. If you want to create schedules for window, you just do the same thing. Just search for that element right there, double click, and also choose the field that you want shown. Once you're done, just click OK, and all the windows show up. The same thing, if you don't like the type mark, just feel free to edit and change it. Creating a schedule for the furnitures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to view. There's two ways you can do it. You can do it through the view, or you can do it in the project browser. You just right click on it and you create new schedules. Okay, whatever works for you. Right, so I'm going to go to view right at the top, and then schedules. I'm going to click on the first one, quantities one. Okay. But remember, I told you the category, you have to pay attention to it. So this one is furniture. You just go to down here, you scroll on F, see furniture is there, just double click it. Right, so what do I want to show on my schedule is up to you really. Okay, but I'm just going to see the type, so I'm going to scroll down here. I want the type, click on it, add the parameter, add it. I want to know the level, maybe it's on the ground floor, it's on the first floor. I want to know that. Also, I want to know the type mark. It's just a way of tagging each of those components like a tag, right? An identifier, yeah. And also maybe I want to count them. Right? I'm just going to click count and then add it. And then I'm just going to say, okay, I'm happy with it. Also, I need to create a schedule for this kitchen component that I have, and it's under casework, right? So I'm gonna go to view, I'm gonna go to schedules, the first one. So I'm gonna look for caseworks there. Look at it, that right there. I'm gonna click OK. So what do I need? I need the same thing. I need the type. I need to know maybe where it is in the building, the level. I need to know maybe it's the same thing, type mark. Also maybe I need a count. Just click OK. And it automatically brings it out for you. You can move it around. And, all right. It's telling me it's on the ground floor. The same thing, I can view it in tile views and just click on it, and then see it highlights, tells me that's it. That's where it is. And you can click on the type mark and also change it, right? Just click on it and then click edit, type, and you can see the type mark right there. You can change it. You can change it from anywhere, right? That's all I'm trying to say. You can change it from anywhere. On the property palette, just click on edit and type in the type marks. Okay, right. So I'm happy with that done. Lastly, I want to do the plumbing fixtures, and the reason is because if you click on that, the category is plumbing fixtures. So you do the same. You go to views and schedules. You can type it here, just plumbing, right? Fixtures, that comes up. You do the same. I need a type. I need a type mark. I want to know where it is. Give me the count. Just click OK. And see, they're all on the first floor, right? The same thing with a type mark, edit it as you see fit, right? Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time. Bye.